Hello, everybody. It's Wednesday evening, and that means that we have another Nail Talk Live e-workshop waiting just for you. Tonight, our e-workshop is about all the new products that Magnetic Nail Design and all its affiliates are going to launch this coming weekend, the 9th, 10th, and 11th of November. And we have much in store for you. We have a new gel polish collection, including a new gel polish collection commercial. We have new must-have gel polishes, a new blush fiber gel, new shape hits, flawless French stickers. We have a lot of things to show you. And I'm not here alone, but I'm joined by Jessica. And Jessica's at the tech table, ready to show all of you what you can do with these products. And of course, show you a beautiful, beautiful nail art as well. Besides this, I also have the winners of the challenge of 2 weeks ago, Bianca Freigang's challenge. You have 3 people from various countries, so that's also very exciting. And I have a great prize that you can win if you enter your homework for this e-workshop. So, a lot of ground to cover. It's already 2 minutes past 8. Let's get started. I already mentioned it, I'm not here alone, but Jessica is at the tech table because Jessica is my partner in crime this evening to show all of you the new products. Hello Jessica, welcome again.
Hello again. Yeah, so looking forward to this evening as well because last Monday we did this show, but in Dutch. But I can't wait to show you all of our new beautiful upcoming products.
Yeah, and just to get started, if you want to participate in your homework for this week and win the new collection of gel polishes, then this is your homework challenge. Make your own set of 5 nails on ColourPops or on a hand of Gilded Elegance nail art. And of course, inspired by the nail art that Jessica will show you a little bit later this evening. So a whole set, 5 nails, with your version of Gilded Elegance nail art. You have 2 weeks to complete your homework. That puts the deadline on the 20th of November. And of course, you need to upload your homework using the album, which you can find and is called New Products. Jessica will give you feedback, which is very helpful because she's also the one that assigned the homework. And of course, make sure to upload about 4 step-by-step photos and 1 end result photo. If you do all of this, you have a chance to win the new collection Gilded Elegance gel polishes. Here we have already a little sneak preview of the various colors in the new magnetic gift box. All 6 opulent, divine, imperial, aristocratic, magnificent and indulgence. Colors that totally fit the fashion at the moment. It's spot on trend and it's super easy for you to combine the glitter and the matte or the opaque version so that it's easier for your client to choose in your salons. Well, a lot of things, or well, not a lot of things. We still have many more things to show you. But before I go to Jessica, this is the month of the electric files and bits. Am I correct? Yes. So you get a 20% discount in the month of November if you shop an e-file or the matching bits with a discount with any of our magnetic distributors in Holland, in Europe, or outside of Europe, a 20% discount, and that's always helpful. Also, make sure to check out the websites of your local distributor to see what their discounts is this coming weekend. Because every time we every time we launch new products, we also have a discount on the existing assortment. What the discount is, check it out at your local distributor. And in this month of November, we have a couple of more e-workshops for you waiting to happen. Next week, we do not have an e-workshop because Gillian, the main man of Nail Talk Live, is on vacation. And I think he will look like that when he's in Iceland. A week after that, I will be joined by Deborah, and we will do crystal inlay nails. Totally, Deborah's name is written all over this. And we will end the month of November with Aletta, and Aletta will come to us to show us Christmas stamping. So stamping, you know, Aletta is a real stamping girl, and now with a little Christmas decoration. So that's the month of November, but I know you're all waiting to see the new products and to see what Jessica has in store for us. So Jessica, take it away.
Okay, let's do this. So I was looking at the comments, and Sarisa already explained. Well, hopefully you will fall in love as we did with our new products. And some of the girls already explained. Yeah, yeah, they answered. Already did. So Magda and Bianca, yeah, amazing, right? So let's start with that beautiful new gel polish collection that is coming out, the Gilded Elegance. And let me first show you girls all of the beautiful boxes on screen.
I'm going to zoom out for you.
Thank you, Pepijn.
I just need to connect first. I thought I was connected, but here we
There they
go.
go. Look at this. It is just amazing. Just to have it as, yeah, a beautiful something to show in your salons, of course. So the boxes are amazing, beautiful artwork, but the bottles, oh, so beautiful. I'm looking at the light to have it a little bit, yeah. Thank you, Pepijn. So this is the indulgence, and look at that. And the background even, it's just amazing.
Yeah, it's inspired by Dutch old masters, but created by Marike of our art department. She's responsible for this, and we've taken it really. This is really art in itself.
But really, yeah, all of the extra details that are in, you really need to showcase these beautiful bottles. And the colors are amazing. So we have three colors, really colors, and three matching glitter colors.
Opulent. Well, it screams opulent.
Yeah.
Divinely decadent, almost.
And this one, magnificent. It's really nice. Really beautiful. And last but not least, my favorite, Imperial. Really amazing. And all of the colors are really spot on trends. If you're looking at the stores and all of the colors that now are really people are wearing in clothes, shoes, name it, these are the colors that people are wearing. So it's really beautiful that we now have matching gel polishes to go with. Clients love that. I will show them first. Like
Do we
this.
fit in screen? Yes, I think we do.
Yeah, or we do just like, maybe like this. It's better to see opulence in the shiny and matte version, of course.
Beautiful.
And
I
then
love
we,
that red color.
yeah, and then we have the divine that is really matching with this color. And of course, you can mix match with all of the colors in between. So this is opulent, a nice warm red color. Then we have the beautiful, this is a brown color, a magnificent color, shiny and matte. Really love it. And matching is the indulgence.
Yeah, Magda also says these are just perfect colors for the season.
Yeah.
Cindy says, absolutely gorgeous. My clients are already talking about these. And Diane Vulting says, it's just a pity to throw away the bottle when it's empty because it's such beautiful art on those bottles. Well, I agree with you, definitely. And Elena says, so cool, I love them. Well, I hope so because I also thought of the Italian market when we chose these colors.
Yeah. And well, do not throw them away. We had a beautiful idea, and of course, there's one trainer of us, Pepijn, who had saved all of her empty bottles and put them in the Christmas tree as decoration in the salon. So that is really cool to do with these bottles as well. So this is the beautiful color Imperial, my fave ever. Love this one, and really goes matching with the aristocratic shiny and matte version as well. I love them. Love, love, love them. So, shall I do one?
Yes, please.
Color?
And which one are you going to do?
Let's do a different color. Shall we do a glitter or shall we do a, oh, the red one. I love the red one. Also, So this is the opulence that we had, the first color that I show you. And even though this is a transparent color, transparent color pop, you see that it's really has a good coverage.
Yes, perfect coverage.
And of course, 30 seconds. And the second layer will get that really like warm red tone. I love it. Absolutely love it. And this is also a color that you see a lot in the stores, the clothing stores nowadays. So, and even last Monday we were together, all of the trainers were together at HQ, and I even saw this color already. Some was wearing a shoe in that color or a jacket in the color. So it's really perfect for this season. Love it. So the second layer of the opulence.
Gemma really likes how your hair is,
Oh,
Jessica.
thank you, Gemma.
En Magda zet #burgundy nails.
Yeah, but really, burgundy is now the color to go.
Milène zegt, wow, Jessica, you're so beautiful. You were already beautiful, but now, wow.
Oh, thank you. Now I blush a bit. Thank you. So, yeah, trying to grow my hair out. Maybe. Or not. Maybe, yeah. Okay, so 30 seconds and then a top gel of your choice, of course. And of course, you have seen it already in the shiny or matte version. So what do you like about this collection?
I love it, of course. I'm really proud of this collection, and I'm also really enthusiastic about the new products that we're launching. Susie just says hi because she's cooking in the kitchen. From here, I want to thank Susie once more for the lovely dinner we had at headquarters this evening. We had scampi with pasta in a sauce. It was just wonderful. Henriette is here also. Hi, everyone. Sorry for being late. Well, you're always more than welcome, Henriette, and I'm looking forward to see you on Friday again. That's a long time ago. Well, it's not that long ago, but it feels like forever. So I need to see you again. The husband of Etty says she's a beautiful lady. Yes, Jessica is a beautiful lady. I think most husbands agree. Yeah. Anyhow, we also have, of course, a poster image for you where we can see all of the 6 colors, now without the gift box with the colors, of this beautiful collection. You can request this poster with your local distributor, and we have more posters coming as well. I also have some images of our ambassadors, Dutch ambassadors. One of these are from Angelique. Here we see the beautiful nails Angelique made. Beautiful, tight, super clean work. And one of our new distributors, ambassadors, Sophie, also used the colors, including the red one that you just applied. It has a little bit, of a tint of brown in there.
Yeah,
Just a little bit.
it does. But that is really perfect for this season. Huh?
Yeah, it would also match my vest, I have to say.
Yeah.
Do you want to show more of these colors, or shall we go to the collection, the commercial, my dearest?
Yeah, oh, the beautiful commercial. Please do, Pepijn.
Yeah, well, of course, we made also a commercial for this collection. I talked about that a little bit 2 weeks ago. We went to the Contactor Continente. We took our whole team with us. Gil, Cheryl, Katri, yes, Cerisa, Deborah and Cerisa prepared the tips that you will see in this commercial. My husband brought the McDonald's because we thought we were going to finish around 7 or 8. We finished around midnight. All in the name of love, all for gilded elegance. And I see many hearts in the comments. And Evelyn, you say, whoa, look at these dresses. Well, I was a little boy. I actually went to kindergarten on the very first day in a dress similar to this, but it was yellow. And I thought that was totally okay. Well, 41 years ago, that was totally okay, not okay. And I went, my grandmother had the dress made for me because I loved Snow White. So it had a hoop and it had everything. And that was preparing going to school and not going back to school for the rest of the remainder of the year. But I do understand every woman needs to be in a dress like this at least once in their lives. Anywho, our beautiful collection, we are very proud of this. We are very proud of the colors, the artwork, the commercial. It's a total group effort that started almost a year ago, and it takes that long to develop everything and to create a feeling and an emotion that we want to share with you. So, Gilded Elegance, the collection that you can win if you do your homework this evening. And the homework is create Gilded Elegance nails on a set. And what that exactly is, Jessica will show us a little bit later. We also have new must-haves, because must-haves are, of course, the must-have gel polishes. And this is a gel polish we had in stock already for quite some time, because originally we wanted to release this last year as part of the Makeup Essential collection. But unfortunately, the artwork didn't happen. It all went a little bit astray. And then we had a beautiful dark color suitable for more autumn and winter. So we decided to postpone it until this moment. And this is the eyeliner. Eyeliner and eyeliner glitter. A beautiful, very dark, almost rouge noir color. Dark black brown with a little bit of red in it. Beautiful, and we also see beautiful eyeliner. Never was able to create eyeliner like that. But these colors are also spot on trend and by special request of a couple of our trainers, including Linda, because she really wanted to have a blood red color. So perhaps this is more matching to my vest than the previous collection. But Jessica, please show this to us.
Yeah, okay, I will. Yeah, indeed, this would match even more to your vest. So let's first look at those beautiful bottles, the eyeliner and the eyeliner glitter. And I already prepared them for you. So this is the eyeliner and that beautiful glitter, like a soft glitter and extra depth in that one. I really love it.
Yeah, and the dark color is so beautiful. And Magda also says these are just wow. She loves the eyeliner.
Yeah, I agree. I agree, Magda. So of course, matte is also really cool for the eyeliner. And I did the glitter as well, matte. Really cool. And maybe you're thinking, okay, but then in the last collection that you have showed, there's also a brown color. And I will let you see the difference. So this one is really warm and different kind. The other one is really dark tones. I really love this one. So these are completely different. And of course, I will show you how they look.
Simona Vonica, of course, a trainer and known from Nail Talk Live, says that your look is amazing. Perhaps you should not change anything, Jessica. Everybody falls in love with how you look now.
Okay, but stop, because I'm blushing. Thank you, Vonica. Thank you, Simona. You're the best. Okay, let's do some color. And again, you see that it's really easy to work with. One layer, and you see on the transparent ColourPop the coverage of this beautiful color, even on a transparent
You see
color.
the red tone a little
Yeah.
bit more clearly in one coat than in two coats.
Yeah.
And it also strikes me, Jessica, that when you apply extreme matte over these darker colors, that it actually makes them a little bit lighter.
Yeah, me too. But I love them both. And even you can wear them in a set like this, or just the shiny, because I really love that dark tone with that hint of red in it. Really love them both. Yeah.
Yeah, and I see that Peggy says she's really looking forward to see these in reality, but she's wondering if there's one that matches her or that can go with her dark blue dress. She said kleed, but it's the dress in English. So we will show you because this coming weekend we have the Nail Talk Live event here in the Netherlands at the Contacta Continente. And we are there with our whole team, and Magda is joining us from the UK. Henriette is coming down from Denmark, I believe together with her husband Toke. Noemi is coming from Italy, together with Victoria, that you know from the show that we did about One Stroke. Katerina Konchar is coming all the way from Ukraine to here, to Soesterberg. All of our trainers are there. All of our staff is also there during the Nail Talk Live event. Jaap and May will be here, and we will have just an amazing 2-day party, a nail party, where we share the passion. And we have our pop-up store with us. We do workshops. We have the nail battle. This is not our organization, but the nail battle is organizing a new nail competition. All 2 days here in Soesterberg. So we will go a little bit live also in our various groups during the days. Gillian will make an after movie, but he will do that a week later when he's home from holiday. He never takes a holiday, except now, after I've known him for 7 years or 8 years, I think. And he never went on a holiday except for 2 days to Florence. And now all of a sudden he booked a holiday with his brothers, like at the moment of the event. I still have to get used to that he's not there next week. Anywho, can't wait, Magda says. It's going to be an event of the year. Absolutely what a dream team event, Nadia says from Denmark. And Irene Vosse says, we love dark colors. Therefore, I mentioned Monday, the night collection. From every color, a really dark shade. I'm going to make a little screenshot, Irene. We did something like that years ago, but we will think about it. Well, anywho, let's go back to you because that first coat was done. And then I interrupted you.
Yeah, yeah. So I went on working and I did the second coat as well. And then you see that it's like really dark. And I really absolutely love it. So maybe you find black, too harsh, then go for this color because it's beautiful and it has a warm tone in it. Love, love, love it.
Yeah, and that already brings us to the next product, and that's a technical product, because of course Magnetic is a technical company, and we cater to the professional nail technicians that want to use the products in various techniques. And a product line that has gaining a lot of popularity in the last years are the fiber gels. And we chose to call these the blush fiber gels because they're suitable for the natural nail treatment that comes to mind when you think of blush nails. So fiber gels are very strong gels where you can apply a very thin nail that is super strong and durable. And we decided to add a new color to our collection called Deep Pink. Here you see it on the slide, but it's always difficult to see these colors on a 3D rendering because the color always changes a little bit. But it's a really perfect nude color with a very nice opacity. So Jessica, you will show this, and this will also be the base for your design later on.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm using a combination of beautiful new products for the background of my design. So let's first go to this beautiful color of the fiber gel blush. And this is the Deep Pink. Beautiful. And I was already in love with these gels, all of the colors. And when I saw this color, oh my God, amazing. Love this one too. So I will show you, I have only clear tips here, so I will use this one. Taking out my gel brush.
And the fiber gels, of course, are all-in-one gels. So you can use them for your adhesion layer, you can build the nail, you can do a natural nail treatment or overlay. You can use the fiber gels in shape it perfectly. You can use them on nail forms to sculpt the nail. So it's suitable for all techniques, and I feel almost for all clients because it's very flexible yet durable.
I agree. I agree. And even just to wear as a color, just a top gel over, or a new product that we have as a top gel. Amazing. Okay.
So you created your first base layer. You did not cure this because you use this so that the next application of gel will easily self-level.
Yes, I really love to work this way. Probably I will need to have a little bit more product because this ColourPop is bigger than I'm used to. Um, so I needed a little bit more of product, but that's okay. Let's take a little bit more. Always find it a bit more difficult working on a ColourPop because I'm used to taking a little less amount. But you already see the beautiful color that is
Absolutely.
coming, the coverage of that beautiful color, and a leveling of that beautiful color. I really, really love it. This is a really nice tone, softly pink, and it has a hint of purple in it. Do I say that
Yes,
correctly,
it's a
Pepijn?
cooler color. It has
Yeah,
a little bit of purple in it.
yeah.
But while I'm looking at it on the screen, I think to myself, we called it deep pink, but we could have also chosen baby pink
Hmm, yeah, I agree.
or bubblegum. But it's really beautiful color. And as you mentioned, the color is already in the gel. So that makes it super easy to use with the Shape It because you apply it in the Shape It, you apply it on the nail and you're done. It's over and done with.
Exactly.
And Magda says the masterpiece amount. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, yeah.
yeah.
Why are you laughing so much?
I agree, Magda. Yeah, and normally I'm working on shorties in my salon, so that's why. Uh, so less product. You don't need that much because I don't have long nails. And of course, you can put the ColourPop upside down to let it level even more and to have that beautiful coverage once again. So for 1.5 minutes curing time. And if we then first do the shiny end result,
Yeah.
so this is the Supreme Finish over. I love it.
Yeah.
But
And the Supreme Finish has a little bit of blue, so that makes it
exactly.
even a little bit cooler.
Yeah, that's why I even love this combination with the Supreme Finish because of that little bit of blue in it, really matching the tone of the deep pink. But I absolutely adore it just wearing matte,
Yeah, that's beautiful.
extreme matte on top. I love this. And later on, I'm going for matte, but with a special thingy in it. But I will show you later as my background for my nail art, of course.
Yeah, because we also have 3 new limited edition top gels.
Yes.
But those will come just a little bit later, but they're matte with hidden metallic flakes in them. But they will come just a little bit later. We've seen a lot of Smile Lines nowadays. I think Smile Lines French manicure is back on track. And people like to wear French manicure. It started a couple of years ago with a very thin French. Then it slowly went into a competition style French manicure. And then all of a sudden we saw stickers with a faded French. And a faded French means one side of the French manicure is super sharp and the other side is blended out. Well, if you want to do this by hand, it's super difficult. You could do it with air nails, but not everybody has air nails machines in their salon. Not everybody is super handy using air nails. So we came across stickers that give this design effect to you, the nail tech, instantly. Without any hassle, without any trouble, just chuck, 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 and you're done. And although I'm not the biggest fan of nail stickers, I fell in love with these stickers. And I believe we also have a little bit later for you a photo of the hand of one of our colleagues. But for now, these are the stickers, and Jessica will show us the various stickers.
I have the same idea, thought about stickers, being against stickers. But oh my God, when I saw these, I was like, oh, this is really cool. But do they work? Do they stay in place? Because that is really sometimes difficult with stickers. They come up when you put on a top gel or doesn't stay in place, but these are perfect. When it's on and it stays on. So first I will show you, because we have different colors, like green and blue.
I will zoom out a little bit.
Okay.
I forgot to do that. I'm so sorry.
No worries.
Also, this artwork is made by Marieke,
Yeah.
just to show that she has different sides to her artistic talents.
So I love the pink. So this is white, but yeah, You can see it. Yeah, there they are. And the orange. And we have beautiful purple. I use them a lot, you see. And brown. And we have a black color. So this is the front, but the back is really amazing too, and really interesting and helpful because there is in steps explanation how to work with these beautiful stickers.
Yeah, and the step by step was done by Deborah.
Oh yeah, yeah, by Deborah, and it really works. It really, really works. I'm so happy with these. So I have made some designs for you.
Oh, I go and zoom in again.
So traditional, how to work with them, and you see
I
that really
like the unicorn effect. Is the sticker underneath the unicorn?
no, on top.
Oh,
So to be honest, these are my air nails. I always have a lot of color pops already with colors on. And because these are the like the blushes, the coffee blushes, and I painted them. I give them color to the color pops to have to show to my clients. But then when they are old, I use them as a background for the air nails. So that's why I have loads of different backgrounds. But it's really cool. So unicorn as well. I had it already finished. So that's why I put the white on top. The glitter effect is also really cool to work with the faded French on top. This is the Violet Vibes, the glitter one. This is a new product coming in. Flakes.
yeah, beautiful.
And the beautiful, beautiful purple. And yeah, white on black is really amazing. Really soft.
Yeah, and
too.
what I find really cool is that because of the fading of the French manicure, the free edge seems to have a different color than the nail bed.
Yeah, that is really.
And
Yeah.
you see that here as well, especially with the flake background. There's a big difference between the color. It almost looks more blue, the nail bed, while the free edge is more lilac.
Yeah, yeah, that's really
Real cool
strange.
effect.
Yeah, really cool. So of course, I like to art. So let's do something different with these stickers as well, because you can do like really cool French art as well. These are the blue French masking stickers, flawless French, in a different way. So you can play. This is a really cool ombre.
Yeah, yeah, this is really screams Pepijn.
Yeah.
Rainbow,
Yeah.
rainbow all the way.
All the way. So I've used a green flawless French and an orange to match the undertones. So these are the purple ones that I've just placed in and really love this effect. Even with maybe some flakes or glitter underneath. Of course, you can do the lunula as well as the faded French to match them perfectly on a longer nail, and also just add some stones, rhinestones and bullions to have this effect. Yeah, I really love it too.
Yeah, and Laurence is asking, are they very thin? They are very thin and they're very flexible, Laurence. Irene is asking, well, sometimes with stickers you have that they come off at the corners. And Magda already gives the tip, just cut a millimeter away so that the sticker is inside the parameter of the nail, and then you will have no problem at all. Besides that, the sticker is a very flexible material that really blends into the top gel that you apply over it afterwards. So they are really durable. There's also a question of Bianca about when is the launch date for Jessica's mix, black and white. And we decided to postpone that until after the event, so I think end of the month of November or beginning of December. We'll be in touch, Bianca. So let's go back to you because we want to see how to apply and use these stickers.
Yes, I will show you because I have 4 nails done. Need one to do more. And on my nails, I was like, okay, I like this. I did a ballerina nail and I like the elongation, but I'm missing something. So then I created, after I sculpted all of my nails, a 3D effect. And I used a flawless French for that. So I will show you. So this background, really love it. I will make it a little bit shiny for you to see what
Cool.
is happening underneath. So this is a chrome background, and I the crushed opals in, a little bit of glass polish blue, and I'm missing, this is a little bit long, I'm missing some 3D effects. So what I am doing is I'm taking the black, because my wall is painted black too, so that is the matching idea. Let me see. So I don't need, you have different sizes. So for this part, I will just use the smallest one. And I'm using my tweezer for this. So now you see that it's really thin and flexible already. So it's really important to have the sensor stick on. And then you can, if that is on, it's on. So it's really difficult to do it with my hands. Normally I have my tip underneath on table.
Oh, but that
I'm in
works
the
also.
middle. Yeah, I'm always afraid. Yeah, okay. The other way around. So I'm first pressing this part down. And then with my tweezer.
They're also so flexible that you can really pull them
Yeah,
in a little bit in the desired shape.
you see that I'm pulling from this part. Because they're so flexible, you can. And then press them down.
And you start in the middle, because if you start in the middle and it's centered, you can adjust the sides a little bit, and that's
Yes.
possible.
Yes.
While if you apply it on the side and you try to reposition it, it may break.
Exactly, and believe me, I had that problem, and it's really difficult to put it on your own nails, of course, and it looks like straight, and then you turn the other way around, oh, it's totally crooked. So I took it off, and I thought, once more, and then it didn't stick, and so the third time didn't work. So first the midsection, if it on straight, then you can just pull a bit and put it on really tight. So I'm now just with a little scissor cut that piece off because that was sticking out. And now let's do a top gel.
I love it. I really love it.
I really love it too.
Yeah. I would have even added an extra one,
Yeah.
but that's me. I never have enough.
Yeah, I can imagine.
But I want to see the opals as well. Do you all remember those beautiful opals? I love the crushed opals. I think they are my absolute favorite inlay. I don't know what's happening to my English. I think it's my absolute favorite inlay element. They're real opals. We grow them in a laboratory. And they are also the opals that are used in jewelry. And of course, they're synthetic opals. But I love the opals and the effect of the drama of the black and the dark turquoise with the crushed opals. It is just mesmerizing, Jessica. I love it. It is perhaps a little bit old school, that background, can we say?
Do you think?
Well, I used to make that also 20 years ago
Oh, yeah.
when I discovered opals.
Yeah, okay, maybe a bit. But now it's like new school because we have a flawless sticker on top.
Yeah, and you know what's also the difference? Back in our days, this would just be the base
Yeah.
for all the rest. And
Exactly.
nowadays, this is the design.
This is just, yeah, this is the design. Yeah. Normally we do hand painting all over. So, yeah. So let's see the end results. And I really love
Cool.
it. And I will show you what I meant with my own pinky. Do it this way. So on this one too, this the same, only a different color choice. But it's the same, the black flawless French sticker.
Beautiful, but show the rest of your nails.
Okay.
Oh, this is just better than something, but I will not mention now. It's beautiful,
Yeah.
Jessica.
And this is the Imperial gel polish too. So
And
really
what is your
love
nail
it.
bed color?
Nude, the Power Gel Nude. And I never do the extender nearby my cuticles because of my skin tone.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. I have comments also.
Oh, okay.
Veronica is asking whether or not we have to use these stickers in the homework. No, you don't. The homework is based on the design that Jessica will show you a little bit later live. Oh my God, that glitter combination, Pernilla says. Nice that you're watching us, Pernilla. It's magic, Teresa says. The French blending, it looks like it's perfectly in between. The effect is amazing, Lexi says. Wunderschön, beautiful. Yeah, it's really just beautiful. And you can use them in many, many, many different ways. And of course, I'm already working on different colors. The brighter colors are perhaps a little bit more suitable for springtime, but then you already are ready to jump into spring when that happens. The darker colors, of course, are always exciting. When we introduced the Shape-Its during the Shape-It training in the month of May, we were joined by a couple of our international trainers. To mention, Magda, of course, from the UK was here, Bianca Freigang from Germany was here, and Simona Vonica was here from Romania. And we started with a collection of 6 different shapes of Shape-Its, and we were talking with Magda, Bianca and Simona about using dual forms and the different types of dual forms and natural nails, and that they need different types. So I asked their help of Magda, Bianca and of Simona to help me pick out the next collection of Shape-Its. And they did, and so we have 4 new Shape-Its also to share with you. The Classic Ballerina Medium, the Classic Ballerina Long, the Salon Square Full, and the Square Tip Shape-It. And this last one was the one that Simona used in her Slim Nail e-workshop. She cut it into shape to create that very flat or even straight upper arch. And all of these Shape-Its are more on the universal side in use. So they fit most natural C-curves, and they are also really easy to use in the salon. And you have them with you.
I have them, yes, I have them with me. And I will show you some. Okay, so we already had the ballerina tip, the salon tip, and now we have the full cover. And I'm just taking one for you to show. So it has a really like the traditional.
A lower upper arch,
Yeah,
but a very nice classical traditional shape with straight lower arch
straight
lines.
low arches, yeah. And this one is the long version, and we also have the medium, like for the salon.
Yeah. A little bit the same shape,
Yeah.
or the same shape, but
Yeah.
a little bit shorter.
A little bit shorter, so more for salon work. Really beautiful, but yeah, I love the long nails, of course. Then we have this one. I really love the squares because these are a little bit. Oh, sorry. There we are.
More like an ultraform
Yeah.
tip. So
Yeah.
a little angled downward with a slightly angled lower arch lines.
Yeah. So a little more universal. I love this one in comparison, with the ones we have. But I'm actually wearing these.
Oh.
Yeah, on my right hand because I didn't have the time and I wanted to try. And I really love them. And of course, the tips which you explained.
The very dramatic, super straight.
Super straight.
Yeah.
Really straight. But really cool. And these are the ones Simona
Yeah.
used.
Yes, thank you.
Okay.
I also have a photo for you, and that
Yeah.
photo is of the nails made with these new Shape-Its
Okay, cool.
on the hand of Anouk, together with the Flawless French stickers in brown. And here you can see the ivory base color matching with the brown on top makes the free edge look whiter, the nail bed more beige, and the brown stickers are just perfect for autumn and the colder months. So just to show you how beautiful it is to make a quick, fast set with the Shape-Its and then finishing them with the Flawless French stickers. An amazing combination. But I think that we are now coming to my absolute favorite product, which I did not expect to be my favorite, because you've seen top gels with little black dots in them, or with glitters. And my biggest problem when I see that is that you cannot apply that evenly, because sometimes you have a blob of glitter here and a blob, to speak in English, last week's words, and a blob of glitter there and no glitter here. So I'm always hesitant. But then we discovered these three matte flake top gels that just give that hint of pleasure to any nail with metallic flakes. And that is a whole different ball game. Now it's not important that it's a little bit unevenly divided because that is the whole point of it. So Jessica showed them, they're limited edition, and I just adore these.
Yeah, they are, and I adore these too. And again, as Pepijn said, I felt the same about this. But when I started working with them, I was like, oh my God, these are amazing. So let's look at the artwork once more because the boxes are really cool. And limited edition also on there. Really amazing. So yeah, I would take just a couple more extra just to be sure that you can work with these a long time because they are so amazing. So I really love the artwork on these bottles too. So for the silver, totally different. Then this is the rose color.
Yeah, beautiful, huh?
I love, love, love it. And I really love it that it's like soft shiny too. So, and this one is the gold version.
Almost sexy.
Yeah, a little bit, yes. So when I first started working with them, I was like, okay, let's do just black and white, just to see you, for you to see the difference from these colors on these tips. So this is the gold, the silver, and the rose. So just
Beautiful.
white and black surface, but of course you can play with all of the colors. And then I was thinking about, okay, but we have a lot of fiber gels, and I really love like the soft tone of a background for a nail art. So that's why I started thinking. And then I came and used the fiber gels, all of the different colors that we have as the background and put these mud flakes on
Cool.
top. And I absolutely love these combinations.
Yeah.
It's really, really, really cool. So this one is the rose that we have, the ivory, of course. This is the deep pink. And this one is, frosted pinks,
Ah,
excuse me.
yeah,
Yeah.
of course.
Yeah, so really cool and really matching and really even to wear this as a nail art on all 10. I love it. So this is already my favorite. I love these top gels. Shall I do one because I have layers?
Yes, and what I of course can offer as well is if you
Yeah.
would prefer a shiny surface, you can always apply a thin coat of Supreme Finish on top of this top gel. So instead of having a matte and a shiny version, we decided we'll do the matte because we just love the matte. And if you want to have it shiny, just take a little bit of Supreme Finish and just enjoy that those flakes mysteriously encapture the nails.
Oh, you say that's so beautiful. Okay, let's do this eyeliner color, maybe with the golds because I really love the matching, the warm tone of this color.
I know that Natalia also has big plans on her nails with this color
Oh yeah?
and with the glitter.
Oh really?
Yeah,
So you can really like play. If you want a lot, of course, you can add more. If you want less, you can take out more. Either way, your end result is really nice and smooth.
yeah, and here we see how it is shiny.
Yeah.
So this is already very festive and very elegant and very, look at me, here I am, flaky girl. Although I don't know necessarily if being a flaky girl is a compliment, but if it then turns matte, it's a totally different ball game, and it's like all of a sudden high fashion. But we need a couple of seconds for that to cure before we can show you, of course.
Yes, but let's do the opulent with the rosé matte top gel too. Really love this combination too. If you want to have it a little bit more, let's do a little extra sparkle. Huh? And so on Monday we went live, showing the product to all of our Dutch viewers, and one of my clients was watching, and she had the question to have the shiny. How do we get the top gels
Yeah.
in a shiny version too? And I promised her because the next day she was with me in the
Oh
salon.
yeah,
I would do her
Marit.
nails, Marit, yes. But then she saw the end result on her nails with the matte, and it stayed matte. And I really, really agree with that because it's beautiful matte. Yeah.
Funny, funny.
Okay. So let's look at them.
Cool. Yeah,
Absolutely
super
lovely.
cool.
It's amazing. I
Yeah.
love them.
Yeah, and of course this screams nail art, so you're going to use these as a background. But just before we go there, we also have a new gel polish tilter. And the tilter is made to angle your gel polish bottle. It's actually a very old product, one that may already had 30 years ago for nail polishes, but it helps you to get to the bottom of your gel polish bottle. It actually has two sides. One side is the side it's on now is when it's like half empty, but you can also turn it the other way and then it goes lower or flatter so you can empty it even more. And when you angle it towards yourself, so in the middle of the V that you can see, then you go really to the bottom of the bottle. And this was made by special request of Ingeborg, and you all know Ingeborg, and she said to me a couple of times, Pepijn, we need to have this because mine is so, I need to have this. And I said, okay, Ingeborg, and I forgot. And we need to have this. And now, thanks to Ingeborg, it's back in our range. The perfect solution to empty out your bottles of blush, top gels, or gel polishes, the Gel Polish Tilter. So, we don't have that yet. It's coming in actually tomorrow, just in time for the event that starts on Saturday. That's not the first time that ever happened in our lives, but it is, of course, tradition. But for now, we go to Jessica and your Gilded Elegance nail art. So, girl, do your thing. I will have a sit and just enjoy.
Yay! Finally, let's do some art. Okay, so I was really like thinking about the beautiful vibe that this gel polish collection has. So that's why I really love like the Baroque curls, the swirls, and maybe just do a cute little bow tie. So I'm going to paint with one of the new colors, the Imperial, a bow tie. So let's go. I'm first painting my lines, filling up my Jessica's Choice. And okay, I'm in the middle. So first, this is the top of my little bow tie.
Yeah.
And then I'm going just adding 2 lines for the lower part of my bow tie. It's a bit shiny. And now I'm adding some swirls. And these line, I'm just doing a flash cure. I'm going to
Okay.
paint with a different.
So it's like a little
Brush.
sketch.
Yeah, it's a little sketch just for me to know where I'm going to paint with a bigger brush. And I'm using the Ultra Designer for this.
Huh?
Yeah, yeah. We were talking about some cool brushes, some ideas, and you reminded me of this beautiful brush, which I have a long time, and I normally use this one to do 3D acrylics, like tiny flowers. I used it with Plastigel, and now I'm painting with it. Yeah.
Okay, we have to see what you do with it.
Okay. So because this brush has a little tip, I really love it. And I'm going to follow these lines. So press, lift up.
Oh. Oh.
Again, pressed, lift up. Normally I'm doing a flash cure in between, following this line with the point, and then pressing down, lifting up again,
Cool.
pressing down, lifting up again.
Oh, it's like one stroke.
Yeah, a bit.
Ish.
Yeah. Pressing down. So you have really like a a salon work bow tie. I'm doing a flash cure because I did the top bottom of my bow tie already in, and now these lines need to be in place. So now I'm going to paint the lower part of my bow tie, and my bow tie is almost done. So again, this part, pressing down,
Cool.
going in, and this part too, going in. So the midsection, of course, you could add like a centerpiece, but in my end result, I've chosen to have my centerpiece like gilded, like more elegant. So let's do a little beautiful stone in the same matching color. I'm just adding a little bit shading in the midsection of my bow tie. So a drop of that beautiful imperial color, and just fade it out towards the end to have a darker color, darker tone underneath, in the middle.
Cool.
I'm doing the same on the other side.
And this is really fast.
It is, like it's really salon. Like this. Of course, you could add extra shading over here if you like it, or leave it like this. And do the same. Just blend it out.
Gemma wants to borrow your brain because you just Hasselblad it right from your mind on the nail.
Yeah, but
puff, chuk chuk.
it's because of the brush. It's because of the brush. I love this brush. I'm going to work more with this brush. So, of course, we are working on a matte surface, and that background is already done. But this is gel polish on top, so you need to secure and cover this to protect the color, of course. I really love to work with matte and shiny, so that's why I painted the bow tie with a little bit extra volume. With Supreme Finish, you could use any top, but the Supreme Finish is, yeah, it doesn't have a sticky layer, so it's more fast that way. So first I am going just flat, paint everything in, and then I'm going to add volume on the second layer. So maybe there are some comments, or you just want to see me do it. It's
No, yeah, Elvira says, well, Hasselblad, she already finished it. And there was a question whether or not the shop is open before we get started during the event. I do have, of course, the winners of Bianca, so I can take the moment to do that.
whatever you like.
Well, let's do that.
Yeah,
And
okay.
I see that we have the winners, and I know one of the winners. I don't know one of the other winners. So it's all international again. And of course, the challenge 2 weeks ago was Bianca Freigang's challenge. Create 2 sets of 4 to 5 tips each, with at least 2 tips per set inspired by the designs in this show. And those were autumn designs. Do you remember, with the beautiful soft color, with the aqua colors? Really very nice. Also salon work. And we have winners for you from Slovenia, from Germany, and from the Netherlands, even though I think it's Belgium, now that I think of
Yeah.
it. Anywho, first, Bianca says the following. My thankful words for all of the participants. First and foremost, I would like to thank all participants for their submissions. They're wonderful, colorful designs, just like autumn is. And the first winner is from Slovenia, and about her nails and her homework, Bianca says, when I looked at your sets, I could immediately imagine them on clients' nails. You implemented the designs in a combination with full cover nails, which is a common wish in nail studios. I'm sure your clients will like them as much as I do. Congratulations from Slovenia, Polonia of Polona Remic. Polona Remic from Slovenia. Congratulations. I think the first time that you won in Nail Talk Live. Congratulations. Well done. Beautiful work. The second winner is from Germany. I immediately fell in love with your colorful branches, and your version of stamping the second set with silver surprised me positively. That makes it very classy. Congratulations from Germany. Andrea Krause. Andrea Krause, congratulations with your beautiful, beautiful homework. Very soft, very nice, very lovely. And I understand the silver stamping is really unusual, but very interesting. It almost makes it look like tortoiseshell, which was something that we did in the Dutch shows. And the last one is from Belgium, not the Netherlands, but she speaks Dutch, so that feels like Netherlands. You have created two such harmonious sets that are inspired by my designs, but have your very own signature. I really like this. The first place winner is Peggy Coppens. Congratulations, Peggy, with your wonderful design. Thank you for participating. I know you will be coming to the event. So perhaps, Peggy, I will take your prize with me to the event to hand it to you when you're there. Perhaps that's easier. Congratulations all three winners and all of you, of course, that have received their e-certificate. But this is what the winners receive: 5 colors of aqua colors, gold foil box, stamping nail plate, a flat white blush gel, and of course the detailer number 3. Congratulations, everybody. Coming to you and also coming to Peggy because I will bring it. Congratulations. Going back to Jessica.
Congratulations, everybody. And thank you all for participating, of course. It was really a blast to see all of the beautiful autumn designs floating through my laptop this morning. Really love it. Thank you so much. So let's go back to the bow tie. I've painted everything like flat, and now I'm going to add some volume. It really works to have your twin light, your shape it light on, and just do a flash cure in between to have the volume like really high like that. But now I'm going, sorry, just a quick cure and then back. So you already see that there's a little bit of volume coming. So I'm really putting my drop where I want the most of my volume and then pull it in.
And which top gel is this? Because I was congratulating Peggy in the comments.
Yes, of course. The Supreme Finish is the most, yeah, the most smart one to use because it doesn't have a sticky layer, or the True Color, of course. I now have the Soak Off, so it does have a sticky layer I need to remove. But for screen, it works, it doesn't matter. But when it's in the salon, you need to work fast, you want to work fast, so use the top gel that works the fastest for you doing this design. And of course, if you don't like the volume, just do the flats and then leave it like that. Not every client likes a little bit of volume on the nails, of course. Okay. And then a flash cure. Like this.
Cool.
And you can add, if you like, a little bit more, whatever you like. So when everything is cured, and you can add a little bit of highlight with maybe Jessica's Mix or Line Gel White. Maybe add some beautiful swirls on top. You can do it before or after. Now I'm choosing for after. I'm just removing the sticky layer of that beautiful top gel. Like this. And just follow to have a little bit more of contrast. Extra highlight really.
Yeah, and we
really
know
does
all
it.
how to do this now, of course, thanks to your bootcamp.
Yeah, hopefully.
So it's like, oh yeah, okay, yeah, okay, yeah.
And I'm really following, and because we have extra volume, you can follow just by leaving your hairs following that extra height. Like this. And maybe the other side. And just the midsection is a little bit like soft. But of course I have made one in advance for you girls. So you can see that the mix section is now really,
Super cool. I've seen this before, but this is really, Jessica, it is
yeah.
breathtaking.
Thank you. So I did the girls on the Monday show.
Yeah.
So if you want to see how I've done these, you can watch the Monday show, and of course you can see it on YouTube. So you can put on the translation button, and you can listen and watch it in your own language, of course. So this I really think as gilded elegance nail art. So a lots.
It's breathtaking again,
Thank
but
you.
not so breathtaking that it don't needs a screenshot. So
Okay.
let's prepare for the screenshot. There it is. I will see if I can just zoom in a little bit more. There we are.
Little bit
Let's
side.
do a breathless screenshot.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. No, 3,
Screenshot.
2.
Oh,
Yeah,
no?
it went
Okay.
wrong.
Yeah, okay.
Oh,
Okay, again.
Well,
once more.
we'll do it on our own terms. 3, 2, 1. Screenshot.
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes the technical side lets us down a little
Yeah,
bit.
yeah, but oh well, we can manage. So I hope you like it.
Yeah, perfect, Jessica. Love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And this is what you have to make when you want to do your homework this week. Create your very own set of gilded elegance nail art, your own interpretation. You have 2 weeks to complete your homework, and that means until the 20th, I believe. The 20th of November? Yes. And upload it using the album New Products. Of course, you will receive feedback. Don't forget your step-by-step photos and the end result photo. Well, that already brings us to the end of the show. If you do this, you get your e-certificate and you have a chance to win the new Gilded Elegance collection by Magnetic Nail Design in the perfect, beautiful new gift box. Here it is, the Gilded Elegance collection coming your way if you create your own Gilded Elegance nail art. Well, it's relatively early. It's only 8 minutes past 9. So let's talk about life. What is your feeling on meatballs, Jessica?
I love meatballs. But then again, I love food. And wine. Do you like wine too?
I
Pepijn?
love wine. I'm even called in Dutch, my name's Pepijn, and Ein sounds like wijn.
Oh, yeah.
So sometimes I'm called Pewijn. Pewine. Anyhow, I want to thank you, Jessica, for showing this. And I know Nadia says, oh, we want more, we want more. I know, Nadia, but I'm very happy that it's a little bit early this evening because we still have a lot to do. We're going to prepare our event on Friday evening because we cannot get there during the day. We have to wait until the evening. So we have to save our energy a little bit. Thank you, Jessica. Amazing, beautiful work, and we have beautiful new products.
Beautiful, beautiful new product. So let me ask all of you, are you falling in love with our new products? We sure do, and we can't wait for this weekend, of course, for the event. And I hope that I could have inspired you with a beautiful gilded elegance nail art. And I'm looking forward to all of your submission seeing coming in. So thank you all for watching, and hopefully we wish you all of the enjoyment that you will have working with these new products, as did we. Thank you again. Thank you, Pepijn. Thank you, Gillian. And I'll see you somewhere soon. Big kiss. Bye-bye.
If you want to get your hands on these new products by Magnetic Nail Design, contact your local Magnetic Nail Design distributor or trainer and ask them what the possibilities are. Perhaps you want to see them first in real life, or you are completely convinced after this show that you want to have gilded elegance nails or matte flake stop gels on your nails or those beautiful deep pink, well, I'm not going to repeat everything again because we all discussed it. You can also reach out to me using Facebook Messenger to inquire about becoming a distributor, a trainer, or to asking where your local trainer is, where your most local trainer is. Anywho, that brings me back to the end of the show. I want to thank you for watching. It was a fun evening. I want to thank Gil behind the scenes, as he is here always. And it's even so bad that when he's not here, we cannot do the show, like next week. So don't forget, next week, no show on the Wednesday. I want to thank Jessica, the queen of nail art and the queen of magnetic. And just to end everything, once more, Gilded Elegance by Magnetic. See you soon. See you at Nail Talk Live.